Hey guys, it's Jonathan with Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a beautiful 1966 C-Code Ford Mustang. Extremely clean example, solid body. If you want to find out more information on this specific Mustang, be sure to look down below in our description, click on the link. Underside photos, a full description. Also, please be sure to like and subscribe so we can give you more amazing content like this. Let's start off with the front end of this Mustang. Extremely clean. When I talk about body lines being straight, this is definitely an example to look at when you compare it to other vehicles. We also just did fresh brakes on all four corners, new lines, the whole 9 yards. I'm gonna open up the hood right now. Look at that. That's a clean motor. Extremely clean and detailed. Has a factory style AC compressor. The engine bay has been completely detailed, as I said already. Power brakes as well, but they're drums on all four corners, all brand new. You've got all the correct markings throughout, and you can see that they did a lot of detail work here. Here's the number you're always gonna look at. There's a C code. You also have power steering. We converted the module for the distributor to an electronic setup. Engine's been dressed up. It does have an RPM air gap manifold. Let's pull this off so you can see the carburetor. I love this air cleaner. Oh, you got something hooking it up. There we go. Edelbrock 4-barrel. And look at the back of the motor. Look how nice that is. It's all detailed up. See those stainless steel headers? And even this, I mean, the pony to the top. Nice detail. All right, let's close it, and then we're gonna talk about the paint quality. Also, look at how nice all the screws are here. And you've got brand new horns and wires. Chrome is show quality, and the paint I would rate easily an 8.5 to 9 out of 10. All your lights work as they should, and when you look down the side of this body, it's like that Camaro that we have right now. This would be the Mustang version of it. Extremely clean example. I like how they did the pony style wheels, and they did a wider offset in the rear. Just perfect. You got your 289 badge right there. Your Mustang badges are all new. Mirrors are in great shape. The only thing I could gripe on this car is the pitting on the chrome right here. This is still original. But all the bright work throughout, really, really nice. The roof's in great shape. And then when you open up the interior, you got your placard here. It's gonna have your VIN number and the designation for some of the stuff. All the rubber is really nice. Door cards are really nice. You got your Ford Motor Company sill right here, and the dash is in great shape. I also love, they did like the GT pack for the RPM, and what else is the other thing on there? A clock?
Yeah.
Yep. And the finish on it is super nice. Vintage air set up on the bottom. It also has an aftermarket radio that still looks like the factory style radio. Steering wheel is in excellent condition, and the horn works. Rear seats are great. All of the interior looks to be original, to tell you the truth. And what's interesting about this car, I don't know if you guys are noticing, but this has a bench seat. That's really, really rare. So you can actually fit 6 of your friends in there. Let's go down the quarter. Quarter's extremely clean. And then the fitment of these tires, perfect. Chrome bumpers in the rear look really nice. Your taillight bezels are in great shape. They look to be brand new. You got some Kenwood speakers in the back. Let me grab the keys. Oh, look at this. Look at how nice that is. Brand new. Brand new tank under the car too. Trunk's really clean. You got your air Schrader valve for your rear shocks mounted right here, which is nice. And then when you pull this up, just nice. Tank, all the metal's nice. I don't see any push-in marks here. Same as this side. It's a solid car. All the quarters look good. And then the trunk got your jacking instructions, and all the rubber is in really nice shape. It looks brand new. Passenger side is the same as the driver's side. Also very even. I apologize for the noise. They're doing some construction right behind our property here. All the vents look brand new, the vent sides look brand new. And there's metal here. This is all metal. When you look in our gallery, look underneath this car, it's unbelievable. There's a passenger side, door cards look good. I didn't show you the glass, but all the glass is even. Nice and clean. All the bright work looks really nice. Fender looks great. You got your antenna there. And the best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. That sounds really, really good. True dual exhaust, runs great. We're gonna go take it for a ride right now. Let's jump on in it. I also didn't notice, but we have actual kick panels here for the speakers. Those are super nice. I know that these are very expensive, and it's nice to be able to have 4 speakers compared to a factory would be 1 up front, and then you can have some in the rear if you had the optional deck. That is neat. All right, we're gonna start it up right now. I just showed you it's starting from the other side. Voltage is working, our temperature is raising up. You see, just took pictures of it. Showing 30,000 miles on the odometer. You've got your tach right here. Great oil pressure. And then you have a little radio. So it looks like the factory style. And it sounds really good. Let's see if I can get a good. Perfect. You have AC right here, which does not turn on. You got your lighter. You got your wipers right here. They work as they should. They have multiple speeds. Your padded dash is really nice. Headliner is in excellent shape. And then you've got those look like 6x9s. It's comfortable. The best part is, I mean, I have a lot of room here, and you can put your armrest down, and it gives you a little bit of more comfort. It's a unique piece. I haven't seen many C codes with a bench seat. Let's go ahead and put it in drive and take it for a ride. It's nice and smooth. Brakes are all brand new and it feels great. Before, when we got it, the pads were actually delaminating off the metal for the drums. So I replaced all the cylinders, we did all new springs, new lines. It was expensive, but now she's all good to go. We also had to work on a little bit of a tune-up for it, just to get it to run better. It was idling erratically. We replaced it with a Petronics. You got your AC right here. Push that open, get some fresh air. I didn't show you this glass either. This glass is really nice. Going over bumps, this road's pretty bad. I hear no funny sounds from the rear end or the front suspension. And please take a look at our gallery. Underneath this thing is unbelievable. That exhaust sounds really good. So it has stainless steel headers on it. They used ARP bolts, which makes it look really nice. I didn't just use a regular style bolt. Brakes are very even. Just turn right here. Turn signals work. And turn that one on. You see that one flashing. And then that one. We have 4 Mustangs in stock right now, from driver quality all the way up to this. This is what I would say, it's an 8.5, 9 out of 10. Everything's been done. We serviced it. It runs, it drives excellent. And there's a lot of options that you would want if you had this type of car. Our speedometer is working. You can see we're going around 50 miles an hour. I'll pull over right here. I'm gonna push the brakes for stopping even. We're gonna go over some bumps here. Nice and smooth. We'll turn right at this blue sign and we'll test out the speed. Let me close this so you guys can hear me a little bit better. All right, let's test out the acceleration real quick. I'm just gonna roll into it. Not bad, brakes feel really good. It's not tracking left or right. Let's get some outside shots, you see.